You know, I've missed my school so much. That's why I'm back to school today. I missed so much things. This was my class. I was sitting here. I was learning here with my friend. My teacher really loved me. Oh God, this is our hallway. Me and my friend used to walk and play here a lot. This is our room. These are my drawing. At the first I was not good, but then my teacher helped me. I became a very good drawer. This used to be my favorite place. I have played here a lot. I love the stadium. I want to play here again to score many goals. This is Fam's playground. I really do love this place because all of this and even more I miss in my school. I miss you, my teachers. I miss you, my friends. I love you, Fam.
فام هەڵبژاردەی ئەو کەسانەی بە باشترین نەبێت ڕازی نین.